Let's get ready to start processing Sezzle orders within your WiX store. In this video, we'll guide you through your WiX store integration by activating the Sezzle payment gateway. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily authorize and capture payments through Sezzle and display the Sezzle price widget on your product and cart pages. The Sezzle widget is visual messaging on your product and cart pages that lets shoppers know that they can check out with Sezzle. To begin, log into your Sezzle merchant account. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for a Sezzle merchant account via the Sezzle website. After you've logged into your Sezzle merchant dashboard, you'll need to locate your private and public API keys. API keys are the codes that will connect your WiX store to your Sezzle account. Your API keys can be found on the navigation list on the left side of your Sezzle merchant dashboard by clicking on the Settings menu option, then clicking on the API Keys submenu. Keep your API keys handy. They'll be used later in the process to connect your WiX store and your Sezzle account. To allow your shoppers to check out using Sezzle, you'll need to add Sezzle as a payment method to your WiX store. To do this, open a new Internet browser tab and navigate to your WiX dashboard. After you've logged into your WiX account, click on Settings on the left side of the window. Then, click on the Accept Payments option. From here, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the See More Payment Options text. Then, scroll down the page in order to locate Sezzle from the list of options and click on Connect. This will take you to the Connect Sezzle page. This page is where you'll enter the API keys that were discussed earlier in this tutorial. Navigate to your Sezzle Merchant Dashboard tab and copy your public API key. Then, return to the WiX Connect Sezzle tab and paste your public API key into the public key box. Repeat this copy-paste process for your private API key as well. Then, click Connect. Please note, do not click on the Enable Sandbox Mode toggle unless you've spoken to Sezzle support and have been told to do so. Congratulations! You've made Sezzle available as a payment method at checkout and have completed your integration. You can now see that the Sezzle price widget has been added to your product page. If you'd like, you can test your integration by adding an item to your cart. You will also see Sezzle messaging has been added to your cart page. In order to test the payment gateway, complete a test checkout by filling out the information needed and selecting Sezzle at checkout. If you are redirected to the Sezzle checkout page, then you've successfully integrated Sezzle into your WiX store. To get the most from your Sezzle integration with your WiX store, navigate through the remaining steps in your setup checklist to get your first Sezzle order.